It's Turban Weekend. Oh, listen to pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants, absorbing the yellow and pours his heat. SpongeBob SquarePants, oh, Nanoku must be something. It's Turban Weekend. Today is Wednesday. I need to go buy a suitcase because the one that I have is way much. It's like too big. So yeah, I'm gonna buy a new suitcase and just a little few things that I need. I wanna pack my bag today because it's Wednesday, because tomorrow we will be on the road at night. Then yeah, on Friday we'll be in Durban, my darling. I'm so excited. Get excited. Gonna drink some switch for energy. I specifically like the dry lemon one.
Hey, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails, perfect. I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes very low, they told me they spin. This is wash, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like ball constrictors. One bitch, two bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not gon' do shit. I'm in Miami, I pull up on cruise ship. You in Miami.
This ocean is on sale, ne? So I'm gonna get it. Usually I use this brand. So they don't have the long ones. I could run it, but yeah. I think we are done.
Shit. When I step a stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, Van Cleef, diamonds on my it's enough. They was just in my DMs. Ain't no.
Top of the morning, I don't know guys. I've been sleeping. I don't know. I don't know where to eat. I don't know, but yeah. Good morning. I'll find out for a guys and I'll let you know. I'm exhausted. I see them in here. Let's go find some coffee or something. But now, maybe let's try Villa Cafe. I don't know. Yeah. Ow, Punzasa. Oh, what to Halangana Rubits? Halangana Rubits.
I cannot touch when you are Hakiru. So I cannot touch when you live on Kabaru. So we get a
Kitanya ko kurle tu mo ko lo ikara batwa kayo na. Yo, man Ako batla something sa ko. Refugee.
Montrose trip.
Iko kayo
Halfway to Durban.
halfway.
So something that goes down my ship.
Yo. Yeah. L'écoutez.
Scared you carry me going to. Cause it was always you. And if I'm burning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby.
But I act like I didn't know. I know you ain't on the zip code. There's a party in my bed, can I send you the info? Deuces, I see you later, right there. Full of prayer, focus on me, not on them haters, baby. Don't ever make me crazy, baby. We can sober up in my bed. Won't let me take you there, no. You proceeded to deep, but then just like magic, they playing our song from way back when we fell in love. She put down her jacket and gave me her phone, said I can't stay, but just hold up. Moving through the crowd, almost dropped my drink. Oh, we in LA, that ain't cheap. She said you ain't changed one bit. Put my hands on her hips and said just focus on me. My body like calypso, yeah. Throwing that back, I'ma leave my lips on this. I love it when you get off, yeah. I saw my hand on your back, on your chest when you get those. But she put hips up. Already knew you were bad, but I act like I didn't know. Now I'm going on a zip code. There's a party in my bed, can I send you the info? My body like calypso, yeah. Come on, my face. I love it when you get off. Once you move her hips up, my bed. Now I'm going on a zip code. There's a party in my bed.
How are you feeling?
This day is so fun.
This is so nice, man. Yeah. I wish I knew how to swim. Never just know yet. But unfortunately, I'm a tata. I wish I knew how to swim. Yes, Anna. But now, that's all I have to offer. Please be safe. Akaya para mahala siya to eh. But yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I think I'm ready to relocate to Durban. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Oh, Chapo, baby. Let's go. I'm good. Yeah. Hi, we just arrived at our what is this? Yeah, we just arrived at our accommodation, and this is how the room looks like. My room, very neat, very Shash.
And I brag hardly, but just to show up at this party I made with your nigga making one hit. That's unfair, but so is life. Take a chance, roll the dice. Money can't buy your love, cause it's overpriced. Don't overthink, just hope it's right. I'm only here for the night. Hope you got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get high and go low. Now girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor? I'm here for one night, how far will you go? I wanna see you high and go low. Now girl, won't you drop that thing down to the floor? I'm here for one.
Yo, so that's how my room and the whole house looks like. Other people are on their rooms outside, but yeah, I think this is the main one. So yes, what are we gonna do? Oh, we're gonna bath. We are going to a pre-event, and oh guys, I'm so tired. Like, we drove for more than 12 hours to get here in Durban. But Kesana, what can you say? I'm going to bath real quick because I know I'm slow. Then we're gonna leave to the pre-event. I don't know if this vlog I'm gonna do part 1 and part 2, but I think so because it's vlogmas. So yeah, let me go bath. I'll see you guys when I'm done.
Constant confusion.